Becoming rich and successful is a goal that many people aspire to achieve. While there is no guaranteed formula for success, there are certain principles and strategies that can increase your chances of achieving your financial and personal goals. Here are some tips to help you on your journey. 1. Set clear goals. Define what rich and successful means to you. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Having a clear vision will give you direction and motivation. 2. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Be open to learning, take on challenges, and see failures as opportunities to learn and grow. 3. Educate yourself. Continuous learning is crucial. Acquire knowledge and skills in areas that align with your goals, whether it's through formal education, online courses, workshops, or reading books. 4. Pursue your passion. Find something you are genuinely passionate about and turn it into your career or business. When you love what you do, you are more likely to put in the effort required to excel. 5. Be disciplined with money. Create a budget and stick to it. Avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving and investing. Develop a habit of living below your means to accumulate wealth. 6. Invest wisely. Educate yourself about various investment options such as stocks, real estate, and businesses. Diversify your investments to reduce risk, and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. 7. Network and build relationships. Surround yourself with supportive and like-minded individuals. Networking can lead to valuable opportunities and partnerships. 8. Take calculated risks. Success often involves taking risks, but they should be well researched and calculated. Don't let fear of failure hold you back from pursuing opportunities. 9. Stay persistent. Building wealth and achieving success takes time and effort. There will be challenges along the way, but maintaining persistence and resilience will help you overcome them. 10. Give back. Practice gratitude and consider giving back to your community or supporting causes you believe in. Helping others can be personally fulfilling and create a positive impact on society. Remember that becoming rich and successful is a journey, not an overnight achievement. Stay focused on your goals, stay adaptable to changes, and be patient with the process. Success may not come immediately, but with determination and dedication, you can increase your chances of achieving your dreams.